Are you stuck, overwhelmed, or just disconnected in midlife? Hi, I'm Lorena. I specialize in helping individuals in midlife break free from limiting beliefs that most likely stemmed from past trauma and reconnect them with their personal power. If you're watching this video, I'm assuming that's you. My goal is to guide you towards a clearer path forward, blending healing from past wounds with personal growth and strategies for lasting transformation. Many coaches will promise you a quick fix, while my transformation guidance is easy and fun. But I'm here to tell you it's going to require your dedication to your self mastery. Trust me, I promise it's going to be fun and it can be done in minutes a day. So I'm not an advocate for those who market quick fixes that don't work, and it continues to leave you searching for more and more. Like, why didn't this work? So while therapists, LCSWs, which are licensed clinical social workers, and psychologists are trained to diagnose, treat, and clinically process past trauma, my approach as a transformational coach is a little bit different. I work with individuals who are ready to explore personal growth, shift mindset patterns, and build confidence as they move forward in life. With multiple certifications in personal development and transformational coaching, I also draw on my own lived experience as a trauma survivor. I've faced extreme challenges, including starvation, severe beatings, personal violations, neglect, being locked away, and various other forms of physical and emotional abuse. And as a cancer survivor, I deeply understand resilience and the process of rebuilding after hardship and loss of your identity. This personal insight combined with professional expertise allows me to bring compassionate, actionable support to my clients. My coaching is designed to help you break free from limiting stories that no longer serve you, challenge your old beliefs, and create lasting transformation. Together, we'll empower you to move forward with clarity, resilience, and have the confidence to achieve your goals. While I'm not a licensed therapist and I do not diagnose or treat clinical mental health conditions, my work complements therapy by focusing on personal empowerment, emotional resilience, and achieving meaningful growth for the long term. If you're navigating deeper clinical challenges, professional care is essential, and my work pairs seamlessly with it for greater impact. So, to break it down simply, unlike therapists or counselors who focus on deeper clinical mental health issues, I specialize helping those who are already mentally healthy and believe in possibilities, even if you don't see a path to get there, even if you're frustrated because you've tried different paths to get there. Together, I'm your solution to guide and move you forward with confidence and clarity. You are capable of extraordinary transformation, and I'm here to help you believe in yourself. My mission is simple: to make the rest of your life the best of your life. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can receive free transformational and inspirational content. Ciao for now.